Every year, India's textile industry creates millions of tons of fabric. But along with beautiful garments comes something we rarely notice. Textile waste like fabric scraps, rejected garments, leftover rolls, production waste. For years, most of it ended up in landfills. But what if this waste could become someone's livelihood? Someone's business? Someone's future? This is where the Textiles Committee, Ministry of Textiles, stepped in. Upcycled Textile Manufacturers Registration Program to encourage certified production of upcycled textile products. Creating value from waste while promoting sustainability and supporting India's circular economy mission. The journey of an upcycled product begins with the collection of pre- and post-consumer textile waste. After collection, the materials undergo segregation based on fiber composition, color, fabric type, size, and quality. The sorted materials are then creatively redesigned into new products through processes such as cutting, stitching, patchwork, embroidery, quilting, weaving, and other value addition techniques. To ensure authenticity and quality, every producer seeking certification under the Upcycled Textile Manufacturers Registration Program undergoes verification by the Textiles Committee. Textiles Committee verifies that manufacturers actually converting waste into wealth and the functional part of the product contains at least 80% upcycled textile material by weight. A dedicated online portal has been developed to facilitate the entire registration process digitally. The portal enables applicants to submit applications, upload documents, track application status, and receive approvals. This single initiative creates multiple benefits. It reduces textile waste and promotes a circular economy. It builds consumer trust through certified products.
Hello, I'm Shujata Chatterjee. I'm the founder of Twirl Store. We were the first organization to be certified as an upcycled manufacturer by the Textiles Committee, and that certification has really helped us in our work. It's given a lot of credibility to the work we're doing, to the products as well as the handcrafted process that we follow.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम पिंकी महेश्वरी है और मैं जयपुर राजस्थान से हूँ। मैं सरप्राइज समन नाम से एक सस्टेनेबल वेंचर चला रही हूँ। आज मैं मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ टेक्सटाइल्स और गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया को हृदय से आभार व्यक्त करना चाहती हूँ कि उन्होंने हमारे जैसे छोटे उद्यमों पर विश्वास किया और लगातार हमारा उत्साहवर्धन किया। हमें टेक्सटाइल सर्टिफिकेट यानी टीसी प्राप्त हुआ, जो हमारे लिए केवल एक सर्टिफिकेट नहीं है बल्कि क्रेडिबिलिटी और ट्रस्ट की पहचान है।
Namaste, I'm Bhavini Parikh, founder of Banco Janko. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the Ministry of Textile and Textile Committee for introducing the Upcycle Manufacturer Register. Registration certificate for the recognizing the Banco Janko as the first registered upcycle manufacturer.
Hi, my name is Amita Deshpande and I'm the founder and CEO of Recharkha, the eco-social tribe. At Recharkha, we upcycle waste plastic bags and wrappers using a handcrafting technology of Charkha handloom. Our brand Recharkha is registered under the upcycled textile mark to demonstrate our commitment to sustainability and to assure our customers that our products are genuinely made from upcycled materials.
Today, the initiative is creating impact across India. Certified manufacturers are receiving recognition, market visibility, and new business opportunities.
टेक्सटाइल रिसाइकलिंग और खासकर अपसाइकलिंग का बहुत डाइवर्स ट्रेडिशनल स्किल मौजूद है।
Through partnerships with government e-marketplace, exhibitions, awareness programs, and international forums, certified producers can reach government buyers.
जब हम अपने क्लाइंट्स को सर्टिफिकेट दिखाते हैं तो उन्हें ये भरोसा मिलता है कि हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स और हमारे प्रोसेस गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया द्वारा वेरीफाइड सर्टिफाइड है। इससे हमारी क्रेडिबिलिटी बहुत बढ़ी है। आज हम जेम पोर्टल पर भी रजिस्टर्ड हैं और हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स केवल भारत ही नहीं बल्कि दुनिया के कई देशों तक पहुंच रहे हैं।
We would like to express thank you to the GEM also. We were onboarded on the GEM with the support of the team, and we also got the first order from the Kashmir through the GEM. So thank you so much for this. Yeah, but we need a more procurement from the governments and from the other corporates and all that things. For this, we all need the support.
Since obtaining the certification, we have seen an increase in recognition for our products. The upcycled textile mark has enhanced our brand credibility, strengthened the trust of our customers, and helped us communicate our sustainability efforts more efficiently. It has also enabled us to connect with environmentally conscious buyers.
The journey has already begun. It has digital registration portal, transparent certification, market linkages, national and international promotion.
So this really has been very helpful for us. At the same time, I want to add, working with the Textiles Committee has been a very smooth process at every stage of the certification and thereafter. They have always been very helpful, accessible, and I look forward to working with them further so that we can take this social enterprise and our mission forward.
We appreciate this initiative by the Textile Committee and encourage other manufacturers to register under the upcycled textile mark and contribute towards building a circular textile economy.
Therefore, every discarded fabric carries another chance, another story, another purpose.